Hello everybody. I'm revisiting this unmarked store slash shop slash dealership, and I'm revisiting this Continental Mark II, but I already have a full video on it, so I'll put a link in the description if you are curious on that. I filmed it probably 4 months ago at this point, and it's still sitting in this very same spot. I revisited it already before, and it still hasn't moved. And I'm revisiting the place. I didn't come here specifically for this, but you know, it's been here all this time, and it's still hasn't moved. And it looks like some stuff. Like, look at this. Look at that. I haven't even noticed it. Look. I didn't know that it did that. I just noticed that the tires have been, you know, nice shape. So I don't know if I don't know if it drives. You know, I don't know if it's a functional car. All I know is that it's awesome, and it's been sitting here, exposed to elements, and it's probably going to start rusting soon if whoever is the lucky owner of this car to actually do something with it. You know. It is locked on this side, it is unlocked on the other side, but once again, I don't want to waste your time and my time filming exactly the same thing. But what I wanted to start filming, at least, is this Jeep Cherokee that got turned into something of a Wagoneer type of deal. So it's got a lot of, like, you know, pinstripes, and it's got the wood paneling, and it says Wagoneer Limited. Now, I don't know enough about these vehicles to say, like, is it a Wagoneer because of the wood panels, or is it a for sure Wagoneer? I guess I'm gonna have to do some digging around on it. But yeah, I mean, it's a great car. It's a great SUV. It is unlocked, so I'll definitely go inside. And it's just a cool piece of history. Yeah, tires are fine. It's got rims. It's got Jeep. Wagoneer Limited. Once again, not quite sure. Now, this could actually be real wood. You know, I filmed a Chrysler PT Cruiser in the streets of Chicago that got turned into a Woody. And yeah, it doesn't get a lot of views, and it's okay. I don't blame you. But MJG, okay. Select track, so I'm guessing it's a 4-wheel drive. Oh, you know what? It does say Wagoneer, so it is probably some weird. Look at this. Reagan Bush 84. Okay. All right, well, that's interesting. To me, that looked like a Cherokee, but again, I don't know enough about it. So, all right, so first and foremost, what year? February, I don't know. I can't, doesn't really say. Like, it got erased. It's got a date, and then I can't see what it says here, so can't gauge it by that. But yeah, look, I almost want to say it's a very thin wood veneer. And look at that, Wagoneer. No, it smells nice too. Looks nice. Wow. Okay. Alrighty, here we go. Let's close the door. The wind. Okay. So that's a first. I haven't been inside one of these before. I've been inside a Cherokee, but I don't remember it being as nice as this one. So, yeah, it's almost like a new car. Seriously, like a new SUV. Wow. Look at that. Look, it's still got a sticker. Wear a seatbelt all time. Don't drink and drive. This utility vehicle handles and maneuver. Okay. Wow. I mean, how many? It's got 67,000 miles. 6773. Look at that. And still got this original sticker. I mean, I don't know if it says 79 on it, but once again, I don't know. I don't know enough about them. And I got to stop saying I don't know because I can look it up. So, this is like a little soft material, probably something for you to rest your elbows. It's all nice upholstery here. You have power locks. Yeah, it works. Window lockout. Yep. And power. I guess it's not a very convenient for you because you can't really see what you're pressing from here. But, you know, it's got power locks. I don't see power mirrors unless there's some. Oh, yeah, power mirrors is here. All right, those are here. No airbags, so we know that. Headlights, yeah, those do work. Fog lights, a blank switch, surprisingly. Adjusted steering wheel column. You got your cruise control, very classic, you know, early day cruise control. All right. It's a little flimsy, but what are you gonna do? I love the leather wrap, like really retro, but I love that. All right, what do we have here? Some sort of a clock. Oh, you guys can see my glasses. Yep, rear defrost. Oh, I love this old style barrel. Cassette. Electric tuning. Climate control. Oh, and then check this out. It looks like a USB thing. Looks like a shotgun shell. That's interesting. And then it looks like a phone charger. Well, we know they are an Android user, whoever owns this car. The T-style handle. Nice. This car does not smell like it's been smoked in. Yep. And this proves it. New. Not unused. All these little vents all over the place. Although these are fake. You got over there too. Jeep. Yep. All right. I'm going to try and see if I can figure out what year it is. So it's an 86 Jeep. It didn't say whether it was Cherokee or Wagoneer or whatever. But it does have limited stitched in here with nice combination of what appears to be leather and some cloth. You'll have this is probably what they were talking about, the whole select track to switch it between the 2-wheel drive or 4-wheel drive. And then this is your high and low. Okay. And then I don't know what that is. But you have an e-brake. And look, I'm so excited. I'm starting to fog up and I'm not even here with someone. But you got your e-brake and then you have a little cubby right up there. And look at this. It's super nice. Okay. And then you do have a mirror with the little lights on the passenger side only. Wow. And then in the back, you got, wow, these seats are almost, I mean, they're brand new. Like, seriously. Like, you couldn't tell that somebody was sitting here. Because they're that nice. For 67,000 miles, somebody took care of this thing very well. And it is super nice. Well, I guess I can check to see. Yeah, you know what? This is not a sticker. This is indeed a little bit fancier than a sticker. At least it has that feeling. Let's check the back. Okay, so you have a stitching limited here too. Very nice trunk. Look at that. That metal. You have very shagadelic carpet. And I don't know how far the seat is. I didn't really play around with it, but even from the back here, yeah, I mean, I'm touching. It's not a very big vehicle. Shaggy carpet. And you have the piping. I didn't even see the piping here from the front. And then unlabeled switch, but I guess people would understand what this is. So, it's not the most comfortable. I'm not gonna lie. Not the most comfortable. And it's not really because of the leg room. It's because your legs, well, my legs are way high up. There's no like thigh support. Well, I don't want to film between my legs, but you get the idea. Like my knees are pretty well raised up, but honestly, I would sacrifice a little comfort to drive it or take a ride in this thing. I mean, what a blast from the past. Look. And these seats, I tell you, they are awesome. I don't know what that does. Oh, probably secures these. Well, like I said, you know, before, I love making these videos because it gives me a reason to get out of the house and to find these gems that are unfortunately kind of, you know, they're kind of dying. I mean, it's not like there's a new one of these comes out every day, although I know Jeep and Dodge, I think, did announce, you know, that they're going to bring the Wagoneer name back, but it's not going to be like this. So, all right, everybody, I'm going to go and explore, you know, the beyond, which is on that side. I already filmed a lot of these cars. Well, that one I did. This one is mine. I guess before I sign out on this side of the house, I saw this Lexus, and I don't want to waste my time or your time on this. It's a 2012 Lexus CT200H. It's like a weird version of a Toyota Prius that's a Lexus. And I just want to ask one question. Who made this shifter? What is wrong with this shifter? It's like a golf putter or a golf head on a club. I don't know. Like, I know it's a Prius-esque because, well, that's what they have to do. But yeah, this has got to be so weird. And also, I know on some of these models they had a GPS that would pop up, but I guess on the ones that don't, it's like a little storage. And look, it's written in way too many languages. I think that's even Russian. Yeah, look at that. It's English and the second one is Russian. That is so weird. It says уведомление. Максимальная мощность потребления. So it basically talks about how this is 12 volt, but that's weird. I mean, I understand if the first language is English, duh, okay. The second one is Spanish. Why is the second one Russian? No idea. Well, probably because that's where the intended markets are, and then they just brought some of them here to the U.S. But anyway, yeah, that's just weird. Like the rest of it, it's pretty crappy looking and then not interesting whatsoever. But then when I saw this, I was like, oh, what the hell does this? You know, you have heated seats, and then this memory module that's kind of tacked on. So probably because this car was sold at a different market under a different name, and it's got 155,000 miles. Wow. Next service is due. Next service due 8/03 of 30. So it's not due for another 10 years. Wow. That's nice. That's a nice 10-year oil change. It's probably a typo, but nice nonetheless. All right. Alrighty. Well, yeah. That's the depth that I would go to find weird crap. And it's an F-Sport too. It's a sporty hybrid from Lexus, aka Toyota. So, all right, I'm going back there, and we'll see you next time.